wonderful people of the 21st century. I am Wilbur Wright.
And I am Orville Wright.
Our fans at Silicon Valley have brought us back from the pages of history to help you emerge into engineering innovation.
Trust us, there is nothing quite like engineering innovation. The joy and bliss you experience when you engage in solving a problem and creating something new is unparalleled.
Prioritizing engineering reasoning and critical thinking, our innovative mindset, is crucial for executives and technical managers to drive company-wide innovation. You need guidance to think differently, and that's why we're here. If you study the lives of the world's greatest inventors, including ours, you'll understand that every human has humongous potential, regardless of their background.
That's right, Orville. Look at us. We didn't come from wealth or privilege. Our father was a preacher and we grew up in a modest household. Exactly. What set us apart was not our starting point, but the environment we created for ourselves and our willingness to think differently.
The analysis and evaluation of our thinking as engineers requires a vocabulary of thinking and reasoning.
The intellect requires a voice. We will delve into the innovative essence of engineering. Indeed, its real power lies in its flexibility to adapt to any domain of life and thought.
Engineers and scientists thrive within the realms of conceptual models. Thermodynamic models, electrical models, mathematical models, computer models, even physical models crafted from wood or clay.
Together, we will explore the application of a model or framework for thinking, an architecture designed to aid the analysis and evaluation of thought. Through this framework, we aim to enhance our thought processes.
The framework we construct will provide an overview of the development of the mature engineering thinker. Stay tuned, for what lies ahead is nothing short of groundbreaking.